Hello beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. On this channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. And today, we are going to have some Halloween fun. I'm going to make something and just give you guys some inspiration. This is nothing brand new. You've seen this plenty of times before. It's so simple, so easy. But like I said, I just want to have some Halloween fun, get in the spirit, and, just do something fun with you guys. Quick and easy. This is for beginners. If you're not used to doing any kind of jewelry, you can throw these together in a matter of minutes. And in fact, I did just that yesterday. I needed a pair of earrings to go with the shirt that I was wearing for work. So I actually put together these earrings in like 2 minutes. It was super quick, super fast, super fun, and super cute. And I got a lot of compliments on them. And, then you just tell people, oh, I made them. Like, I made them before I came to work this morning. And they'll be like, really? Oh, wow, that's so cute. So let me just show you. Like I said, this is nothing brand new, but it's just a little tutorial and a little inspiration and a little bit of fun. Okay, so these are the earrings that I made yesterday. And I'll have to show you a picture of my shirt that I wore that these went perfect with. So now I have these cute little cat earrings for Halloween, or actually whenever, because, cats never go out of style. So, but yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So stick around and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do and give you some inspiration and tell you where you can get the charms. Okay, so I have some charms here, all kinds of these I got from Bead Box Bargains. And I do have a Bead Box Bargains haul video that I reveal all the items that I got. So these charms were from that video. But these are so cute. So I may do a pair with these, and these are cute too. Who doesn't love a cat pumpkin face? It's so cute, right? And then these little, really cute. And same thing with these, as well as these. Now these are all cats, but I don't know. I do have a bunch of other charms, Halloween charms too, which I got this from Temu, and this was last year. So I might look in here and see what's in here too and come up with something. Okay, so we're just going to do this really quick, really easy. And like I said, you will get a lot of compliments and people really surprised that you just threw these together in, a few minutes. Okay, so let's get some gold ear wires for these. So I have round nose pliers and bent nose pliers. So I'm just going to take my bent nose pliers and so you just open it like that. So you're just pulling it to the side. And then you're taking your charm and sticking it on there. Make sure the wire is facing toward the back so that you'll be able to see your design when you put them in your ear. And close it just like that. Make sure it's flush. And that's it. That is so cute. I love them. cute. I love these little ghosties. So cute. Now you imagine you wear these and everybody is going to compliment you because these are super cute. Who wouldn't love to have these? And that's in fact what people were telling me yesterday when with my earrings. They're like, oh, I want a pair. I want a pair. Okay, well, I'll make you some. So cute. And so simple. Okay, so for the next pair, I'm going to use this cute kitty pumpkin head charm. Isn't that super cute? And I know this will definitely get a lot of compliments with these. I mean, how cute is that, right? Okay, so all we need is your charm and then a bead of your choice. And this is the 6mm black agate that came from Bargain Bead Box. And then I have my ear wire. I have black and a gold eye pin. And I'm using an eye pin because, like I said, we want this to be just super fast and easy. So we already have one loop done for us. So I'm just taking my eye pin, putting the bead on, and then I'm going to take my flush cutters and cut this down. Take my round nose pliers, just lightly above the bead like that. Bend that back, and then take your round nose pliers, take your bead. Now you see how I have this, so the bottom loop is going from left to right. And my top loop that I'm going to make, I want it to be front to back. So see, they're going to be in two opposite directions. Okay, and I'm taking my round nose pliers flush to the edge of where we cut it, and then I'm just going to loop that back around. And make sure it is closed. So it is going to look like this. And then we're going to go ahead and open our wire. Put our kitty charm on. Close this up. And then you're going to open the top. So then you want to go ahead and put your ear wire on. Make sure that it's facing the right way so that your charm will be facing the correct way when you put it in your ear. And then you just close that up. Make sure everything is good and closed. So now we have a cute pair of kitty pumpkin face earrings. Aren't they so cute? So adorable. And we have a little bit of added flair with these since we have the bead with it. But very cute. And I know you will definitely get compliments wearing these. Actually, I wish I would have bought more because I know some of my coworkers and stuff are going to want some. But you can get them from Bead Box Bargains. So cute. And very simple, right? You can put together a pair of earrings in a matter of minutes. 1, 2, 3, and done. Okay, let's do one more pair, and I'm going to use the charm from my stash that I got last year. So let me just see what I got here. I'm thinking I don't want to use a kitty this time. Okay, let's use two different earrings. Okay, let's use a spider web and let's use a spider. How about that? That would be cute. I'm just using ear wire with this. I'm just taking my ear wire, opening that. Put that in like that. Make sure the ear wire is to the back. And close it up. Give it a little squeeze so it's flush with the other side. And done. So cute. Love it. So cute, so easy. Okay, let's make one more pair, and I'm going to use the witch and her broom. That'll be super cute. And I'm going to use these beads. These are the 6mm crystal English cut faceted beads that came from Bargain Bead Box Midnight Menagerie. And I will also link Bargain Bead Box in my description box if you would like to subscribe to their monthly bead box. It is $22.99 a month, I believe. And it's very reasonable, and you get a lot of items. What do you guys think? I think they are very cute. We got the witch and her broom. So cute, right? Okay, guys, well, let me know which is your favorite pair of our super cute and super quick 1, 2, 3 and done Halloween earrings. I really like them. I think they are a lot of fun. And like I said, you will get a lot of compliments on your homemade, handmade earrings, right? So cute. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.